वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. I am Dr. Satwant Kaur, Assistant Professor from Shri Guru Angad Dev College of Education, Khadur Sahib. Today my topic of presentation is characteristics of formative assessment. Before moving ahead, let's firstly understand the meaning of formative assessment. Formative assessment involves a continuous way of checks and balances in the teaching learning processes. It allows teachers to frequently check their learners' progress as well as the effectiveness of their own practice. Thus, formative assessment permits the learners, designers, and instructors to monitor how well the instructional goals and objectives are being met. Its main purpose is to catch weaknesses so that proper learning interventions can take place that allow the learners to master the required knowledge and skills. The first characteristic of formative assessment is purpose. The purpose of formative assessment is to improve the teaching learning process. It means to improve students' learning and instruction through feedback of inadequacies in learning. For instance, in one unit, feedback is obtained in the form of strengths and weaknesses of teaching and learning process. Strengths are retained and weaknesses are removed or reduced in the teaching of next unit. Next characteristic is formative assessment carried out while learning is in progress. It means formative assessment continues even when the course or syllabus is not yet completed. For this, the whole syllabus is divided into meaningful and independent units or chapters. After the completion of each unit, assessment is conducted in order to know strengths and weaknesses of learner and teacher. Next point is feedback. Feedback is main and major feature of formative assessment. Feedback is information or results of performance in particular unit which tells that to what extent the learning objectives of specific unit have been achieved or what amount of learning has been attained, what should be retained, what should be modified, reduced, removed, or which method or technique should be changed. Next characteristic is active involvement of the students. Formative assessment ensure active involvement of learner in learning process. When student is given small unit or limited amount of work, he or she is able to focus more on the same. He is able to perform or work attentively. When his work is assessed, he remains eager to know about the results. In this way, learner remains busy mentally, emotionally, and physically in the learning process. Next characteristic is formative assessment reinforces learning of the students. In formative assessment, feedback is obtained in two forms, that is positive and negative. The positive form of feedback always acts as reinforcement, which automatically motivates the learner and teacher for further learning. On the other hand, information regarding errors form of feedback not necessarily act as reinforcer, because if the amount of error is more, then the probability of discouragement is more. In formative assessment, teaching is done on the basis of prior planning. Hence, probability of error is less in this case. That is why it mostly acts as reinforcement. Next point is flexibility. Formative assessment is flexible in nature. It means a teacher may change his or her strategy, methods, techniques of teaching. Moreover, teacher may add new things according to the requirements. So in this way, these changes are progressive in nature. Next characteristic of formative assessment is diagnostic. Formative assessment is diagnostic in nature because it helps to find the errors in learning and weaknesses of teaching through the process of feedback. Next point is formative assessment provides basis of modification of instructions. Feedback in formative assessment provides essential information on the basis of which teacher may modify his or her teaching strategy. So, on the basis of errors, difficulties or weaknesses obtained through feedback mechanism, teacher plan or replan his or her teaching for further unit of syllabus. Remedial teaching is also planned for improvement if amount of error is large. Next point is, there is always a scope of improvement in formative assessment. It means there is a scope of improvement from teacher as well as from student point of view. Through continuous feedback, teacher comes to know the strengths and weaknesses in teaching learning process, which ultimately helps the teacher to modify his or her instruction according to the need of the students. Next point is, formative assessment assesses multiple perspectives. It means it helps to evaluate the learner from multiple perspectives such as physical, emotional, social, intellectual, aesthetic, skills, attitude, interest, etc. Next characteristic is, formative assessment provides freedom to the students to share their knowledge, as well as students they can discuss their problems occurred during their learning process. So formative assessment allows students to actively involve in learning process. It means it provides the opportunity to students to share their ideas or thoughts, or even they can discuss the problems. Next point is, develop creativity. Formative assessment focuses on creative aspects of personality like music, drawing, painting, etc. Now, achievement in these fields are given due weightage. Students may proceed with their interests, aptitudes, and creative abilities in the area they like. In this way, formative assessment helps to enhance creativity of the students. So, well, students, today we have discussed the various characteristics of formative assessment. I hope you understand all the characteristics of formative assessment. Thank you.